So hello everyone, so welcome back again. So my friend, after long time I came in forest, so I thought why not I should make a video on that. And when I came in the forest, so it remembered me my those days when I was learning my English and when I was practicing my English a lot. Because that time I was very get addicted to learn English. So therefore when I came in the forest, so I can't control myself, and I thought that why not I should make a video on that. So when I was about to make a video, then one of my viewer messaged me and he asked me one question that, sir, I have been learning this for a long time but I cannot see any improvement of my spoken English. So sometime I want to give up from this journey. So you have to tell me any tips and trick. So my friend, I want to tell you that it is a not big deal. Okay, English is not big deal. Just you have to believe yourself. If you believe in yourself, then anything can be possible. I know that English is one of the complicated language to learn in the world, but if you until you believe yourself, then it will be complicated for you. Otherwise, if you take it as a seriously, if you take it as a easily, then English is a very easy language to learn in this world. So now, if you want to give up from this journey, then I want to tell you that no, you should not give up and you don't need to worry about it. Right now, what happened? Right now, if you cannot improve your English, then it can be take time, my brother. It can be take time. Okay. So firstly, I know that because your question is also that when you try to speak English, so your neighbor, your friend laugh at you a lot. Yes. So my friend, I want to tell you this is a rule of our society, because people are not going to see you as a success. They always try to push you back. Okay, they don't want to see you as a going to the higher level, success level. Okay, so they always try to push you back. They will make fun of you. Sometimes they will pull your leg. You should not worry about it. Okay, because whatever things you want to say, just try to say everything in English. I want to tell you, it is a long journey. English can't be spoken within 1 month or 2 months. It is going to take a lot of time. So now let's come to the topic that you want to know that how to practice your English. Because if you don't have any friend, if you don't have any partner, then with whom can you practice your English? So my friend, right now what I am doing, I am making video front of the camera, so even you can do the same thing. Right now you must have phones, then you have to take out your phone and after that start recording yourself. Whatever things come to your mind and try to translate everything in English. Okay, and firstly don't think what other people would think about you. Okay, let the people think what they are thinking about you. I know that when I was learning my English, so that time people used to make fun of me a lot, but I didn't care about it and I kept doing what I was doing. So therefore right now you see me, right now I can say that right now I can speak English well enough, not fluently, but yeah, somehow I can interact with anyone and somehow I can deliver my thought very easily to someone. But don't think about it. Okay, people, this is a rule of society. People always try to push you back, my dearest friend. Okay, then you should not consider about it. So just you have to keep going, and one day definitely you will be good English speaker. Okay, just try to speak, try to practice with your, if you have no any friend, if you think that you are the lonely one in the world, so what will you do? Just you have to take your phone, you have to practice front of the mirror, and there is a very good things that you can do. You have to try to practice your daily routine. If you practice this way, then your English is going to be improved a lot. So now you can also make a vlog like that. If you don't have phone, then you can just practice your English in front of the mirror. And firstly, I would like to say you that don't think what other people would think about you, and you don't need to give up from this journey. I know that this is going to take a lot of time in order to be fluent in English speaking, and I want to tell you that you need to practice as much as you can. Until you practice, then you are not going to improve your English, my dearest friend. Okay, so don't think that what other people would think about you. Just try to speak as much as you can. Okay, and definitely one day you will be good English speaker. So thank you, my friend. I will come back with another video. Then keep practicing and have fun. Thank you.